Good day, everyone. Today, I will introduce to you Anthony Altan, an author from the Philippines. His name is Anthony Altan, born on August 26, 1947, in Seasi, Sulu. His sample works are Poems for Mudas 1996, exploring life, memory, and nostalgia in the town of Seasi, Sulu. The awards that he received was first place in Poetry 1993, Poems for Mudas, second prize in Poetry 2002, Crossing the Rivers and Other Poems. Award in Essay category, another Palangka Award was received for his essay work. The language that he uses are Filipino, English, Sinama or Chinese, and Sama heritage. His genre are poet, essayist, and fictionist, and his writing styles are postmodernism and magic realism.